I'm going to be doing Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn here. So this is Porter. If you listen to the last message, it's like a big bush. I mean, it's a pretty tall tree, actually. But to me, it feels like a bush. Okay? So Porter is going to be giving the messages today. All right. So, Taurus. Let's see what up for Taurus. Your heart says, speak. Speak with intelligence. Speak with belief. Speak with wisdom. Your heart is a never-ending cycle of processed wisdom. Tap into this wisdom. And you will access all three. The heart space knows much more than you give it credit for. A way through your cumbersome times can be had by acting on your heart-centered space. That is what drives you forward. That is what brings in light. The heart is your shining star. Is that it? Oh, okay. Okay, Virgo. Your heart must intertwine with your daily activities. Gravitate your feelings within your heart through each step that you take. The heart will give it energy, will bring in light, will inject your activities in a forceful yet loving nature. Place prime importance upon your heart. And you will receive back many, many blessings. All spiritual activities begin within the heart. It is an endless stream of revenue for your soul. It will light the way as you use it and utilize it moving forward. Listen closely for messages from your heart. These messages will bring you a brighter future than you ever imagined. Is that it? Okay. Capricorn. Well, I guess it's about the heart today, at least for the earth signs. Okay, Capricorn, please. Play with your heart space. Find the creative aspect of it. This is you buried beneath the surface in wonder, in light, in love. Create something of which brings you joy. Savor its essence. Align with its spirit. Note the energy you feel from it and keep connecting. You have access to this at all times. Your heart will help to bring you joy, will help to find your joy in the activities that you play with. So what brings excitement to your heart? The landscape of your life is waiting for you, Capricorn. How do you want to paint it? Breathe into the essence of your heart and litter yourself with love. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that. You have a great day, and as always, stay connected to your heart and with love. Namaste.